Today I am going to show one of the projects. It's a dual axis solar tracking system with power generation. Okay, so in this project we see how the solar panel tracks on a both axis, single axis and dual axis. Also, whatever the parameters is west, south, north is displayed on the LCD display. Also, whatever the power extract from the solar panel, we have to store in the battery, and that will be utilized further with the help of inverter model and output at the AC load. So this is the project model. Let's see how it works and what components we have to attach. Okay, so let's see. So this is the project model. Now we have to give 4 LDR sensor we have to attach on a different axis. Okay, so this is the different axis we have to use. Okay, this is the LDR sensor. Okay, after that, whatever the signals captured from that LDR sensor is directly used to the control board. This is Arduino Uno control board we have to use with LCD display. LCD display is used to monitor the directions and which direction it is a solar panel is there. So all it is there mentioned in the LCD display. So this is the control port which used to control the sensor, LDR sensor. Okay, this is LM324 IC which is used to control the LDR sensor. You can also regulate the sensitivity of this LDR sensor with the potentiometer attached here. Okay, so these both are used for the 4 LDR sensor, this 2 and this is 2. This is for the motor driver control board L293D IC which is used to drive the motor. Okay, whatever DC motor we have to attach in this project, so this is used to control that particular things, and this is the total brain of your projects which control all the operations. Now next thing is whatever the energy we have to extract from the solar panel, we have to store in this battery. Okay, this is 12 volt 1.3 ampere battery, so it is used to store the energy, and after that whatever the energy we have to obtain, it goes to the inverter model we have to attach, and it convert DC to AC, and at the output we attach one AC loads. So this AC loads will be it represents the power generation from the dual axis solar tracking system. So let's see how it works. So first of all, you have to just switch on the project. Here is just one switch. Okay, so you have to just switch on the project. When you switch on the project, the display mention your project name first. After that, it gives the panel on a stable mode. So here in display it returns like a stable and stable. Okay, so display it's written like a stable and stable mode. After that, we have to attach the 4 LDR sensor. So we use some lights to that particular sensor and it sends, and what we have to exactly it does, let's see. So let's see. So as you see, when I put some light on the LDR sensor, it rotates the directions. Okay, so on a left and right mode, it moves the directions. Okay, whatever the light you have to just show this type of particular things, and sensitivity you have to increase by the potentiometer attached here. So you have to just regulate the sensitivity, and after the sensitivity attached, you have to put the lights whatever distance you want. Next thing is let's see left ups and down mode. So when any lights fall on the surface of this LDR sensor, the solar panel rotates. Okay. Whatever the direction you want, so you have to move. So you can increase the sensitivity due to the attached potentiometer. So whatever the condition here, so it is totally written on this LCD display. Okay, so whatever the left right mode, now it is stable in mode. So After that, we have attached one AC loads at the output with the inverter module. So if you switch on that particular switch, so AC load is on. So in this way, the total project of a dual axis power tracking system with the power generations you can be achieved successfully.